In this video, I'm going to show you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. So this is actually super simple by using galleries. So you want to go inside any of your pages, click on Edit up top, and from here you want to add a gallery section. So I'm going to add a section, go to the left here, scroll down, click on Images, and then here I'm going to look for a gallery, for example, such as this one over here, okay? I'm going to click on it to actually attach it, and from here, of course, you can customize this by clicking on Edit Gallery. You can then change these photos by, for example, deleting them by clicking this button and confirming, and then clicking the plus button and adding your own by searching for images or uploading your own images, okay? Now, whenever you do this, you want to go and hover over the section, click on Edit Section, and from here under Gallery Type, you can see Grid Simple. Now you can go ahead and change this to Slideshow Reel, okay? So if you do this, as you can see, we now have a horizontal scroll. Of course, you could go and change the height as well, and of course some other things as well over here. I'm going to leave it like that, but as you can see, this does make a horizontal scrolling effect of horizontal scrolling images inside our page. If I go and save this and click on Exit, in the preview here, I can also see I've created a horizontal scrolling image effect in here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.